Yeah, well, this is a Jolly Roger Troy Tractor Kiddie ride. Sighted at Porter's Park. Oh, made by Jolly Roger in about 2002, I think, under no license. Yeah. There's Will and Ben I'll film next. There's the Adas tested on the back. Yeah. Let's just get in. Yeah, they fixed them. Yeah, they fixed the motor. Which I'm too good this word. Yeah. Yeah, let's put Ben over there for next. Oh, that was Bill and Ben. Same when you're ready, press the start button. Yeah, the press button's just on responsive mode. Oh, press button's on responsive. This one's a bit faulty. And that was the Jolly Roger Troy the Tractor Kiddie ride. Sighted at Paulton's Park.